Good morning everyone. In the last class of fluid mechanics subject, we have discussed about the chapter 2, that is manometry. So third chapter is we have hydrostatic forces. In the hydrostatic forces we have the total formula based questions. Maximum we have the total formula based questions. Okay. In the hydrostatic forces, first one is the hydrostatic force on the submerged surfaces. So case, what are the force and center of pressure? For the horizontal position, what is the force formula? W into A into x bar. What is the center of pressure? Center of pressure H bar equal to x bar. Okay. For the vertical position, what is the force? W into A into x bar. What is the center of pressure? H bar equal to x bar plus Ig, ultimate moment of inertia, by A into x bar. For the inclined position, what is the force? W into A into x bar. What is the center of pressure? H bar equal to x bar plus Ig by A into x bar into sine square theta. So we have to know what is W, what is A, and what is x bar, and what is y bar. That is, sorry, it is H bar. So for example, you can take the rectangular bar, rectangular thing. See, rectangular plate, we have the B and it is D. It is up to G, it is x bar, it is y bar. For the submerged body, we have to see for the submerged surfaces. For the submerged surfaces having the theta with theta angle. So Ig, BD cube by 12. For the rectangular, it is BD cube by 12. For the circle, pi d power 4 by 64. A equal to, what is the A? Area of the surface touches the fluid. Area of the surface touches the fluid, that is B into D. W equal to, what is W? Specific weight, that is rho into G. We have to multiply at the place of W, we have to replace it rho into G. X bar equal to, what is x bar here? Vertical distance, center of gravity of body from the free surface. From the free surface, this is x bar. So Ig, area moment of inertia about centroidal axis, and parallel to the free axis. Theta equal to, we have the theta here. What is the theta? Angle at which surface is inclined. This is theta. So these are the standard formulas. Depth of center of pressure for vertical plane from the liquid surface. We have the different type of surfaces, and we have the formulas of center of gravity and center of pressure. For the rectangular bar, this is B, this is H. So center of gravity x bar equal to H by 2. Center of pressure H bar equal to 2H by 3. Okay. Here H by 2, here 2H by 3. For the trapezium, this is height. Top width is A, bottom width is B. Then center of gravity formula equal to, that is x bar equal to A plus 2B whole by A plus B into H by 3. For the center of pressure, H bar equal to A plus 3B by A plus 2B into H by 2. Here A nothing but top width, B nothing but bottom width, H is height of the trapezium. Triangular, for the triangular portion, this is in this shape. At the top it is submerged. Okay. H is height of the triangle and B is width of the triangle. What is the formula for the CG? X bar equal to 2H by 3. For the center of pressure, H bar equal to 3H by 4. So if you reverse the triangle, you will get in this shape. This top width is B, H is height. Okay, what is the center of gravity? X bar equal to H by 3. and what is the center of pressure? H bar equal to H by 2. Next one is circle. For the circle, this is diameter d. Then what is the center of gravity? We know that it is d by 2. What is the center of pressure? H bar equal to 5d by 8. Here d is diameter of the circle. And next one is we have the semicircle. For the semicircle, see, this is the figure, this is diameter of the semicircle. What is the center of gravity? X bar equal to 2d by 3 pi. D is diameter of the circle. Center of pressure Y bar equal to 3 pi d by 32. 3 pi d by 32. For the parabola, this is parabola. B diameter is, this is B, and this is height. Then center of gravity equal to X bar equal to 3h by 5. Center of pressure Y bar equal to 5h by 7. Next one is for the parabola, we have the second case, that is reverse for this parabola. This is B, this is height. What is center of gravity? X bar equal to 2h by 5. Center of pressure Y bar equal to 4h by 7. Okay. So these are the basic formulas of the hydrostatic forces chapter, that is the third chapter. Okay. In this, what I am explained is formulas are very important. Among that, we have the center of pressure and center of gravity formulas of the rectangular and trapezium, triangular and circular. For those are very, very important. Okay. In the previous examination papers, if you see, for those rectangular and trapezium, circle and triangular, based on these formulas only the questions are asked. Okay, this is about the third chapter. Okay, next chapter will be continued in the next video. Okay, thank you.